Well, hello everybody. This is fire alarm test number 42. And we are getting so far in the fire alarm tests, guys, and I want to keep the series going as long as possible. Today's fire alarm test, we're going to be testing the Siemens UMMT. That's right, guys. I'm testing a Siemens alarm for the first time in one of my fire alarm tests. I know you got really bored of the same old boring alarms in the past, but I have a Siemens horn strobe here. So anyways, let's review it really quickly. So anyways, you got the strobe on the right and the little horn on the left, and the fire marking is right here. The little screw right here holds the mounting bracket, so let's flip it over. Yeah, I have only the strobe hooked up for right now, because you could see the labels are right here for S is strobe and H is horn. And I clipped the jumper so I can put it in 4-wire mode, and they would put they soldered jumpers on the back of this thing. This was pulled out of the building. And believe it or not, this is a multi-tone horn strobe, and one of the days I will test the strobe, all the tones of the horn in another video, but we're just gonna stick what's for now. Okay, so anyways, guys, the strobe is set for 15 candela. We're gonna be testing a Siemens horn strobe for the very first time, my Siemens UMMT MCS. So, are you guys ready for the strobe? Here we go. Let's power it up. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it takes a little bit for the strobe to charge up. That's a little bit bright for 15 candela. And plus, I don't hear any capacitor. Hey Google, turn off the lights. We're doing the lights out part of the test. Man, that's pretty bright though with the lights off. Hey Google, turn on the light. Okay, let's shut off the strobe now. Let's unplug the power supply. So anyways, on to the next part. Now we're going to test the horn and strobe together. And just to be aware, when I test this in system test 18 and 19, I had it on code 3 horn. But for this test, we're going to do continuous horn. So the continuous horn pitch sounds a little bit higher than my, this one, the horn on this alarm sounds a little bit higher pitch than the Cerberus Pyrotronics multi-tone horn strobe. So anyways, let's switch on the power. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was loud. So, anyways, on to the next part. And for the final part of the test, we're going to be using the Notifier BG10L. And the reason why I'm using this pull station, because I know it's an awkward setup, and I never used this pull station in my fire alarm test videos before, since I got it. So, I figured this pull station does need a little bit of screen time, so let's pull it down. So here we go. It's a push in and pull down dual action. So anyways, guys, let's pull it. 3, 2, 1. I had to manually silence that. Well, this thing is ear-piercing, really, really loud. So, I think we could, like, do it for right now. So, this pull station is hard to reset with one hand, so let me set the camera down for a second. There we go. And most of you probably know what the inside of the pull station looks like by now. Man, that was ear-piercing loud. Yeah, this thing is so loud, this thing can really, really hurt your ears. So, anyways, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching Fire Alarm Test number 42. I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. There will be more videos real soon, guys. And thank you very much for watching this another quick and easy setup for the past 3 weeks that I haven't made a fire alarm test. So, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that will be it. Take care.